Okay folks, here's one of those brake caliper tool sets. I happen to be working on a 2014 Ford Escape, uh, 1.6 liter engine and SE. When I went to do the rear brakes, I had to rent this tool and to push in the caliper piston, but none of those little adapters work to fit on the 2014 uh, Escapes. So I ended up having to make a little tool, pretty much just a washer and a couple bolts and a couple holes that I lined up to fit the tool, and that was what I needed to do to get that caliper tool to work on pushing in the piston. So just a little heads up on that. Thanks.